Niin, testuskeittiö ja puimuripuisto.
Yes, today it's the 4th of May 2022. We have Pukinmäenkaari Spokkovågen, 35 staircase held here. Capacity is 4 persons, 325 grams, and we are now filming the 7th and last elevator in this essential building. It was also built in late 1993, turning 30 years old in next year, 2023, when it's going to be inspected again. Let's check the serial number here. We're going to try to take 2 rides here.
Yeah.
8 floors here. Oh, it's pretty light here, right here. 7 actually. 7 floors. This number is 67494. This is, but then it's something else. I think I'll check that. Let's check the staircase H again.
Yeah. Inspected occupies, maintained by police.
Trying to use it.
Yeah.
That's it, they can watch. And you can watch all the 6 other things in this jail building.
Yeah. That's